smooth up on your pegs. Yep. Head up. And nice and smooth all the way to the stay on it. Got it. I wasn't back far enough. Yeah. I wasn't back. Well, good morning, sports fans. Where in the world is Wayne going today? Well, as you can see, I'm getting ready to leave the ferry. I've just landed here in Suasan, which is
just a tiny bit forward.
Sure.
Yep, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit
just
more.
For people to get out.
A little bit more. Yep. That's great.
Okay, you got it. All right, back to what I was saying. Okay, so I've just landed here in Suasan, which is on the mainland near Vancouver. And where am I going today? Well, today I'm going to Nakusp, British Columbia. Actually won't get there today. I'll arrive tomorrow because it's about a 9-hour ride, and that's a bit too much for me. Anyway, why am I going there? Well, there's an annual event called CANWEST. It's part of the Horizons Group Unlimited organization, and I've never been to one of these events before. It's a 3-day event, and I am going to be one of the speakers. I'm going to tell about my South America trip and some of the things that happened to us along the way. I'm speaking on Thursday afternoon for 45 minutes at 4 o'clock, and then again Friday evening. Okay, thank you very much. All right, have a good day. So then again on Friday evening, and then I can kind of relax a little bit, get to know other people, and etc. So, and we're going to take the Crow's Nest Highway, which is one of my favorite roads. It goes along the border between Canada and the U.S., twisty turns, just a really nice place. So that's where we're headed today, and we'll chat soon. Well, good morning, sports fans. So what did you think of that ride on the Crow's Nest yesterday? Pretty special, hey? What a great road. If you ever find yourself in southern BC, be sure and look up that highway. Unbelievable. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a little taste of it. I made it to my destination last night. Where am I? I am in Christina Lake in southern BC, and I'm making my way to Nakusp this morning. Check-in time for the CANWEST Horizons event is at 1 o'clock, and then I'm presenting at 4 o'clock. So, all right, folks, let's go. I made it to Nakusp last night. I am here at the campground. As you can see, this is my campsite, and I'm sharing it with, I don't know, 4 or 5 other people. There's motorcycles everywhere here. There are a ton of BMW GS's. There are a ton of T7s. It's like a couple of Yamaha motorcycles had babies, and there's T7s everywhere. And I've only found 4 Tiger Rally Pros, but there are 4 of us represented here. I ran into Jeremy Craker, Soledad Carmen. I'm going to see Rosie Gabriel speak this afternoon. I'm presenting at 8 o'clock tonight. I had a presentation yesterday that went really, really well, and so I'm excited to do another presentation tonight. I'm going to try and film some of it so you can see that. But in the meantime, just kind of look around the campsite here. A lot of motorcycles. It's like a smorgasbord of motorcycles. So we've got a little course set up here of cones where people can ride their motorcycles through, do big circles, and then go through the track here, and then go to a smaller circle over there. So just a test of skills. There's an off-road training course that they offer here for $99, and there's an instructor talking about some of that right now. You can see the people that are gathered around. We'll just stop and listen for a second.
Look for the other cones. There you go. Oh, power!
So the next day I decided to sign up for the dirt course. You know, I've ridden a lot of Forest Service roads, I've ridden some dirt and even some single track on big bikes, and of course I rode all through South America, and down there we were on a lot of really, really tough off-road courses. So I figured, you know, this would be a nice test of skill, but I should be able to ace this without any problems whatsoever. And for about 90% of it, I did really, really well. So they started us off, and they just had us do some slow speed maneuvers where we would ride standing up. Then we'd ride with one leg on a peg and the other draped over the same side. And then we'd ride with our knees up on the seat. And so, you know, they were just helping us learn how to control the bike from different body positions on the motorcycle. They then took us over to a slalom course. So they were teaching us how to put your foot down or put pressure on the peg, on the inside peg, and then lean your body to the outside to make it around these cones. I did it pretty well. I needed to keep my eyes up a little bit more. You know, never fell, you know, handled this all pretty darn well. Then they had us practice going downhill on a narrow track and teaching us how to accelerate up the hill on the other side. We did that a few times, you know, weaved our way in and out of the trees. It wasn't really single track work, but it was kind of single track. There were some sand sections that they had us ride through. About to ride through a sand section right here. It's a small little section, you know, lean back and have no problems doing that. So, you know, that was really great. Until we got to the sand pit, and that's where everything fell apart for me. So I watched rider after rider after rider try and get through this pit and fail, and I was convinced, I can do this, no problem. Everybody was having a problem with it, but I figured, no, I've been through sand before, no problem whatsoever. Watch this.
Hey, all right. Nice and smooth up on your pegs. Yep. Head up. then this is smooth over. Just stay on it. Got it.
I wasn't back far enough.
Yeah.
I wasn't back far
Yeah,
enough.
as soon as those tires went in there, you're back forward too far, and then you just pull the clutch in.
Yep. Okay. Unlocked. Front tire's locked there. There we go.
So I decided to go back and give it a second try, and I about scared this trainer to death. She jumps out of the way as I'm coming up here, a bit out of control.
Got it.
Okay.
Power! Oh, what's this leaning
Not
stuff?
enough power?
You leaned right into that one.
Did I?
One, two. Are you clear or are you stuck?
No, I'm stuck.
Ready? Yep.
I can do
1, 2.
okay? Yeah, fine.
You're riding it in like a spiral. When the bike starts to lean, you got to counterbalance.
I got to counterbalance. All right. Try it again. Move that rock. All right, guys. Thank you very much.
Well, good morning, folks. Just getting on the Needles Ferry here. The Horizon CANWEST event ended last night, and we all broke camp this morning, and I headed down to this ferry. I'm going to take 2 days to get across to back home to Pender. This is the first of 3 ferries I'll be taking to get home. It was a fabulous event. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next ride. Ciao.